Stability AI has partnered with its AI research lab DeepFloyd to introduce the research version of its latest technology called as DeepFloyd IF. This latest technology is designed to generate high quality images from text inputs, and it boasts some impressive features. Notably, it uses the T5 XXL 1.1 language model as a text encoder to better understand text prompts, and it applies cross attention layers to better align the text prompt and the generated images. One standout feature is the model's ability to accurately apply text descriptions to generate images with various objects appearing in different spatial relations, a task that has been challenging for other text-to-image models. The model is also praised for its high degree of photorealism, with an impressive zero-shot FID score of 6.66 on the COCO dataset. In addition to text-to-image generation, the model offers zero-shot image-to-image translation, allowing for modification of style, patterns, and details in the output image while maintaining the primary form of source image. The model is initially released under a research license, with plans for a full open source release in the future. One of my favorite feature is around deep text prompt understanding, and I haven't seen any other model doing that. Other features which are on offer by DeepFloyd is around application of text description into images, and as I said, high degree of photorealism, and also the aspect ratio shift. I will put the link to this model in video's description. If you're interested, please go and have a play around with it. As usual, if you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.